Yeah, I'm on my gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Whole thing gang shit. In the Benz, I'm tryna lane switch. Deep inside, they know I whack 'em, just be on cool shit. I got this fully automatic, you can't swerve through the back street. Straight up out the yeah. Everybody got a blick.
Mississippi TV, y'all tap in with that boy.
He gon' chew it just like gum, yeah. Freely deep.
You feel me? Love my big dog out here.
Yeah.
Y'all tap in with that boy. Mississippi TV, y'all tap in.
Young nigga shit ain't shoot no one. Came from nothing, moving up. Art play, art dead. Slid on him, dually truck. Spin like a booby doo. Got spin. They know my whole gang purple. Yeah, they know my whole gang.
Mississippi TV, check it back in with y'all with another one. Got a little something going on. They got a little video playing for y'all. Pull up with my boy CEO Shed Built. Excuse me, he just dropped a crate thread 3 in a box. I can't even remember what year that box is. I don't know, it's at an 84. I don't know, I can't remember what year it is, but man, he put a thread 3 in that junk. Crate motor sound damn good. And that shout bed I was telling y'all about, I want to get some footage on that. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna get ready to head over there, pull up on that boy, and yeah, I'll let y'all when I pull up. That crate motor sounded damn good. What's going on? Why that bitch sound so good? That bitch sound good, boy. What's going on? Tron just left him over here. I seen him at the light. Good oil pressure. Blueprint. Crate grade 3. Real nice, real nice. Well, that boy sound good as hell. Man, that just sound good, boy. That's why I had roll on his reel. I was like, boy, that just sounds so good. And on first gen. So you want to tell me about that jump real quick out? CEO can tell y'all the rundown on it. Probably how to cut that down out. That bitch sounds so good. Well, he might talk over. CEO can tell you all about it. What we got going on, CEO?
Blueprint 383.
Blueprint 383.
Blueprint, PDF, accessory drive on it. Just do clean the wires up.
Okay.
Champion radiator.
Oh, you got all boss hog in there? Okay.
700R4 fresh.
Very good.
Blueprint with a 750 double pumper on it.
Came with that 750 double pump on there. Okay.
Yeah, I think the build standard is 494 torque and almost 500 foot-pounds of 494 horsepower and almost 500 horsepower torque.
So you known for doing LS swaps, right? So you will do a first gen swap, but it got to be like a crate motor. Yeah, okay. He ain't gonna get into it like the LS. So he will do a swap for you on the first gen, but it got to be a crate motor already put together. You feel me? If you still want to keep that first gen alive. Man, you might take me down the road in the junk. So we could go down the road in the junk, and at some point I'll probably get out and let him like do a run by if I can hear when they come through. So y'all hold on. I can see good oil pressure, temperature running good. Interior A1. Headliner clean. What year you said it is? 84? 84. And what all left now? Nothing. He just basically got to come pick it up tomorrow.
Yeah, he gonna pick it up tomorrow. He gonna bring it back and do the full QA suspension kit on it.
Okay.
Go and do the gears in it right now. He got stock gears in it, so only one tire spin.
Okay.
Whatever the stock gear ratio is, I don't know.
I think like 240, some little stuff.
Something still get down to what it is.
Yeah. What you had recommended for him to put in that junk?
I told him the 373s or 411s. So
Yeah.
by having an overdrive, he can cheat with 411s.
He definitely get away with them 411.
And 411s would be good with the 383, like RPM. So.
Yeah, take some of that strain off that motor, help it out a little bit. But y'all, as y'all can see, we're going out the road in it. Yeah, he known for doing LS swap, but he will do a first gen swap for you. But it gotta be something simple like a crate motor. And boy, when I say this bitch sound good, this bitch sound good right here. Real talk. She ride smooth as hell on these seats.
Yeah.
Okay. Like I said, he about to come pick the car tomorrow. He gonna bring it back full Curry 1 suspension. Curry 1 suspension. He probably gonna get his rear end done. Probably gonna either go with 373, a 4 layouts for that pods unit. Shit, that boy gonna be ready to ride with us this summer. Real talk, you know we gonna be here.
When he come back too.
Huh?
He finish the AC up when he come back.
Get the AC, gotta be blowing snowball. I'm trying to see if you maybe could let me out somewhere. If I can get you doing like a ride by. Should have got out back there. Yeah, cause I want y'all to hit that junk from the outside, and when it come by. What side converter he got in that junk?
25.
Okay.
25 to like 26. I think.
Okay.
25, 27, whatever boss hog.
So he got the 700R. His might not be made with that plate. He might be still made on. It is.
It's still without the plate. So
it without the plate. So it's like the 350, just with the 3 junks on it. So you don't got to worry about that couple loops. Yeah, you can. Shit, I really could have got out right here and let you come by. But yeah, he finna let me out, and I'm finna get y'all the road by. So y'all hold on. So yeah, I got one on here to let me out real quick. I'm finna give me a nice roll by. Boy, that bitch sound good as hell. I gotta ask what kind of muffler he got up there, but I'm pretty sure he got flows up there. But right now he got the stock gears in it, stock posi, stock rear end. Everything gonna get redone. Bring it back for the AC next summer. Curry 1 suspension. Get the gear side up. He gonna be good. He about to come through right now. Sounded damn good. Probably gonna stab her. Oh, 383, okay. First gen. The boy sound damn good. One thing about me, that full top box, ain't too much to sit beside that junk in my eye. Okay. Yeah. Blue on blue, full top gangster. I hear Florida boy. Oh yeah, they gotta take the blocks off. No blocks down the beginner jump.
Yeah,
you gotta get them coil over.
Coil so you squat it down right.
So yeah, man, y'all look out. Y'all look out for him. Look out for him next summer. Ride with her. G about to put his 2 though together. Even though of course I got my photo. So yeah, we gonna be deeper and deeper every summer. So there. But that shock bed I was telling y'all about, we gotta pull up on that junk. So y'all can really see what I was talking about. got a system in that joint too?
It had to disconnect to the drain the battery, but it's...
Oh, dang, okay. That joint big. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get back in my merge in there something. What, you got flows up here?
Yeah.
It sound like flows. I was just say, that bitch sound, they gotta be flows on this joint. Flows sound so good on that first gen, boy. So this the shop that I was talking about. See, oh, you definitely gotta give them a rundown of this one.
I can't fire it up right now. I think the drivers are dead in ECU.
Okay.
Yeah.
They give them a rundown. What you got going on? What kind of drive train you got? Oh. Y'all can see. Got them LS valve covers on the same style of the first gen one. And I see these rims all the time. But I never seen them with the step lip up there. I love that look right there, man.
That step lip's killing me.
Step lip killing them.
So LS60.
LS, okay.
408 stroker. Big NA cam in it.
Okay, all motor.
All motor cam.
For y'all who don't know what NA mean, okay.
He stand all motor. We hit the valve covers. Hit the coil packs down here. Ran the wires, get extra long wires, hit the wires.
Okay.
So all you see is just valve cover. Have stock brakes on it. Gonna hook up the stock AC.
Okay, gonna have AC on. They gonna be. You said this is a daily driver, right?
He go daily drive this.
Oh yeah. Can't beat that now.
373 gears in it.
Okay.
Full suspension, C-notch. It's 4.6 drop. Brand new drive shaft. Full 80 transmission.
Oh, hey, you know we only run 8 balls over here for real, for real.
The exhaust is crazy up on there.
I want y'all to look at that stand. So get ready, get down there, get that exhaust for y'all. I just want y'all to see that stand on that boy. And then what I was talking about for the step lip. This is the first one I ever seen with a step lip of that junk. Look too damn nasty. Y'all, hold on, let me get on that ground real quick. I'm underneath right now. I want y'all to look at this exhaust. What, that boiler on here?
Boiler, yep.
Yeah, that sign look like the same muffler that G-Body had on here when he was supercharged.
It is the same, yep.
Ooh, yeah. That's a loud ass muffler. And y'all can see he got the H pipe on it. Big 3-inch. Gotta have that 3-inch on that LF so she can breathe. As y'all can see.
Black card head too.
Damn, y'all was able to find them, John?
You can find them. You just can't find them for G-Body.
G-Body and B-Body. No, G-Body probably.
G-Body's only right now.
Okay.
Mine's on my car. Camaro's. I rode 69 Camaro.
So you saying you can find them from B-Bodies?
Yeah, B-Bodies and...
Yeah, I see that's all.
And trucks.
Cause G-Body had hit me up the other day. Yeah, so a lot of us run these Blackheart hooker headers, man. I like it. What coat is it, like ceramic?
That's a ceramic.
Yeah, that look good right there. Well, y'all ain't gonna be able to hear it, but I'll get y'all another video. So y'all better hear it, but I just at least want y'all to check everything out. Got the oil catch can over there. We said 6, no, you said 4.8.
The 6.0 board instructor 4.8.
Okay, that 4.8, that's a common little motor right there, huh? They give you everything you want.
Everything you want. That's the new 383.
New 3, okay, I like how you said that. 4.8 is the new 383 in the LS world, man. So yeah, that was he known for LS swap, but like I said, you can get a first gen swap, but it needs to be a crate motor, something nice and simple. And I want y'all to see how he got that this little Terminator S junk right there by the cigarette lighter that fold down. I like that. Now you can see he getting the bells right and all that. Man, y'all stay tuned. See what you got coming up next on CEO.
I have a 71 Chevelle convertible.
Okay.
Another C10.
Okay.
Another Monte Carlo. Or a Monte Carlo I'm putting back together. Y'all probably seen it. It's blue.
That was the one with the 4.8?
With the 4, yeah. He had a little accident. Had to do a frame off. So now
damn.
It's painted again, frame back on it.
Okay.
Put the motor vintage air back in there, get that running again.
Okay.
And then there's a couple more behind there.
2K25 look kind of full, huh?
Yeah, I'm still trying to stick. As long as I can do the 4 or 5 a year, I'm good with it. Like I don't want.
Okay, 4, 5, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's a perfect number right there. Yeah, 4, 5, yeah.
Keep the quality.
Okay.
Up, not just a whole bunch of bills out in the street.
Yeah, the quality.
The quality is where I care
as y'all can see, so the cost that we just came from at the conventional center, you had one best builder, right? Y'all won best builder?
Best group.
Best group.
Yeah, best group.
So y'all want to go check out that. Y'all go check out that on my page. But I just wanted to get the one-on-one to actually let y'all know what he got going on right now with this shout bed and that box Chevy, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm gonna have to get Tron at some point. I'm gonna have to pull up on Tron at some point. You feel me? Yeah, I'm about to pull up on Tron. So, yeah, man, I just want to get y'all a quick little video in here real quick. Let y'all get another look at that box. I wrap that little joint up, but yeah. Ain't too bad for a crate motor, man. Ain't bad at all. That bitch sounds good as hell. And this is really how I wanted to run my pipe, just like that on that Chevelle style. But the 3 they couldn't fold it like that. So I just got it going over the rim, still full as always. But yeah, we bumping, man. Y'all look forward to seeing us next year. Oh yeah. Just made it back from that boy CEO. As y'all can see, y'all see who back there. Tatiana on deck, but yeah. Man, y'all heard what CEO said. Plenty of bills coming 2K25. I'm gonna try to be more involved with some of them goddamn events. Try to go to a lot more 2K25. My car all the way right, transmission right, no leaks. I got one issue that I'm trying to figure out now, which is gonna be simple. So my heat, you know what I'm saying? Now at winter time it's getting cold. So now it's time to turn the heat on. Now my heat it's blowing out, but it's blowing cool air instead of warm air. And you know, when it comes to the heat, it's only a few things that it could be, you know what I'm saying? My heater core good. I really think it's because of this restriction right here. As you can see my hose, I kind of done somewhat was messing with it earlier, but it gonna come down to this restriction right there, which is the weight of the hose. So when I lift the hose up, I kind of take the restriction away. So that's what I'm gonna start off with. And next, I'm gonna replace the whole hose, because when I first was doing the LS swap, I was so geek that I just throwed that hose up there. But I don't know, was it a fully heater core hose? I just grabbed it, the length I need size, throw it up there. So, but I'm gonna start off with just being able to. I'm probably gonna put me some zip ties up here to help hold the weight of the hose. Cause when I let it sag, as you can see, that when the cut went out, it's a lot better than what it was, because I messed with it earlier, but it was down there like a cutoff for real. But now it's still little. You see that? You see it? Yeah, so I'm trying to raise my hose, take that restriction out, and see what we got. Other than that, yeah. Y'all stick around. Like I told you, I kept my word. One of y'all get some footage on that box. Hey, it's the old boy who own that junk. Boy, you got a good sounding motor in that junk. Boy, I ain't lying. Florida boy. So he's supposed to be coming to get it tomorrow. So I know I had to pull up on CEO, get that footage real quick before he take it. Got the footage on that shout bed. Probably have some footage coming up on net when he get the ECU right. I told him, hopefully I get some more footage on that Impala with the T56 in that junk. Supercharged, 4.8. Give me a ride along in that. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm going to keep these things coming. And Mississippi TV, y'all tap in with that boy. Bet thing smoking on YouTube, shout, I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, tell somebody so they tell somebody about the boy, man. Highway 45, bringing out the center Clay County. Man, y'all already know that my neck of the wood back home. Play, boy, hold it down out there. I'm out this thing.
Yeah, they know my whole